Some people are really blessed. Everything is not about ritual. Everything is not about ritual, my country people. The one where they talk now, the one where I see. Many people have talked about this burial. This burial has been talk of the town all over the world. There has not been any burial like it ever before. And since Nigeria started until date, there haven't been any burial like this. My country people were talking about burial of Cubano chief priest, Obi Cubano, his mother, his lovely mother. His lovely mother, make we talk small about the woman. The mother was sick last year, and she was very, very sick, and we lost her in the cold hand of death. That was December last year. Then Obi Cubano, as an influential man, a billionaire, he now kept his mother in the mortuary for all this while so that he will put himself together and give his mother a befitting burial. So, my country people, the burial now started. The burial began since Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and tomorrow is Sunday, and it continues. It has been like this. All the people of the state have, all of them, everybody have nosedived to Oba, Anambra State, for the burial of Cubano's mother. All road lead to Oba. All land lead to Oba. The burial, na talk of the town, no be smart in my country people. The mother was 78 years old. Yes, 78 years old. And the Cubano loved his mother so super much. He always posts his mother, oh, the woman is so beautiful. That's a prayer for every mother. Make their children get money, take care of them during old age. It's the prayer of every mother. So the mother has been sick and later died. He has been posting his mother's picture on his Instagram page every now and then, crying about his lovely mother, showing how he cares for his mother. Look at him there with the mother. So, death. You're a very bad thing that happened to human race. Yes, he loved his mother so much, cherished his mother so much. Oh, my country people, make I tell you and make I tell you the cocoa of the matter about the burial. See that burial, eh? People carry Ghana must go come full and with money, carry they go. Because the way these people take through money, like say, money na sand. He shared, the burial cost him 30 million naira. $30 million. $30 million. Now this burial cost them more. Sete China people come right Nigeria after watching the video of burial. They come right Nigeria. Say, I bet make Nigeria come pay them their money. Where them they owe them more. Say, which can country get this kind of people will get this kind of money? Can they owe them? They come say make they come pay them a job. They no one here say they come again. No. Now so it take happen, my country people. So the burial was talk of the town. Make una see burial way. How many cow? Make una gaze. Gaze. Guess how many cow was by in that burial? 346. But my question be say, who chopped that kind of cow? Who chopped that kind of meat? 346 cow was by in that burial for pepper soup, for suya, and for jollof rice, and for stew. 348 cows, 70 rams, 70 70 goat, 20 ram, and 70 cow, and 70 goats. Yes, 70 goats, 20 ram and 346 cow was by in that burial. Konsianayo kanayo, Imonio, Jubi Michael, Davido. Which celebrity where you go ask no go Oba Anambra State? Their hotel go don flow there. Their hotel go don flow, no road, no way to put their legs. Say you dey waka. Now wow. He really spent money in that his mother burial. People come dey waggle their tongue say, that kind money, that be better money. Which one be better money? I dey ask una. All una dey see where we no be better money. Which one be better money? Which one be better money? I dey ask una. You see, Cubano got all those gifts because ijere mba anụ eju akpa ọ ndị ikoro na-eko gị ndị nyere ọjị ọ ha nwa na-enye gị. So Cubano is somebody that have been helping people. See, if you have problem, I mean the rich people, the billionaires, so if they have occasion like this burial, Cubano they go. Excuse me, Cubano they go that occasion in a style, in a grand style. Yes, in a grand style. He used to honor people occasion. He used to honor people occasions. So that is how they now honor his own in a grand style that baffled people beyond words. People were saying, now wow, this kind of money where, but make I ask you now, that kind of money where then they throw I look the video, watch the video, where I can't say, how did they throw money like that? Even though you bought them, come follow them, come begin they throw money. Now so they begin they throw money anyhow. Then they throw money where some people they suffer, we never even see 1 square meal, it take less of 3. Now wow. Make una they remember. Emela nwa ogugu, emela nwa nọsike. Unu echetakwa ụda nne di ya nọ n'ụlọ biko nọ. Na da nne di ya nọ n'ụlọ ọ gakwa eri nri. So ọ bụghị elicha mmadụ nka. Make I come talk the one wey come the one wey come be the cocoa of the matter. And I know how much casket Cubana casket when take my bury mama. Excuse me, I beg. I'm very sorry. I've been so stressed up. So the casket is 30 million naira casket. Now see, if the casket have got phone number in case the mama one day call, they communicate. The casket when you take bury mama, you get phone number. No be only that one. That casket, you get motor when they take the go when go take the waka around in the burying ground. No be only that one. No. Inside that casket, you get number where you go press if you want to talk to Asho Rock or Queen Elizabeth. You go to talk to that person. The casket no be here. The casket, 30 million naira casket. Now you carry bury mama. That casket, well, na see so. No be ordinary casket, oh. You see that casket, That casket get kitchen inside. That casket, it get all sort of room. The room is indefinite. It has masters. That's casket. So no be here, my country people. Anyway, if you follow go that burial, whether I go, you no go, backward for comment section, make we talk about the burial, Cubano burial, as it take bury mama. Make you pack for our comment section. Make we do there, yarn our own, as the burial take go. So now the casket, let me at the talk now. You see that casket, That casket, when you see so, that casket, anybody will enter that kind of casket there, it be like saying na heaven straight that person they go. It be like saying na heaven straight that person they go. Because that casket, they put am for inside ground, but I no believe saying that casket go there inside ground. Once they put am, it go come they float on top. e go come dey float on top, e no fit enter inside. No be small casket be that o. 30 million naira casket na im Cubano, Obi Cubano, na im carry bury im mama. Mama is so, excuse me, Mama is so important in anybody's life, yes. Her mother must have impacted a lot in him before kicking the bucket. And look at the woman here, the woman is so beautiful. If this woman is like this at the age of 78, how was this woman when he was growing up? She was a damsel. She was a princess. She was so beautiful. Yes. But 30 casket, oh, that one come be as e come be. Na Cubano take bury a mama. Make una see the cow. On Saturday, people come dey talk say Cubana don turn to herdsmen because of the kind of cow wey dem see with am. They come say Cubano don turn to herdsman because that kind cow no be here oh. The cow no be here at all. Oh, my country people. Now wow, people wey go the burial, they chop rice no be small. They chop meat no be small. Barbecue. Anyhow you like, you go cut your own. But my country people, get me aside, they take they behave oh. Maybe I normal or I no normal. And if I go that kind burial and you see a rice, I no go eat oh. You see all this barbecue. Yes, so because the money too much, well. You see all this barbecue, make you go cut as you want, oh my brother, no go eat. Anyway, make I see una for the comment section.